3 months online, 0 clicks. After virtual staging with Pedra, the listing got multiple inquiries the next day. Here's exactly how REMAX Core did it and how you can copy it in 3 steps. Second-hand homes are tough. Empty rooms, dated furniture, which leads to low engagement. Traditional staging can cost up to $3,000 to $5,000 and can slow you down a lot because it's slow and hard to implement. Meet Antonio Prieto, the broker from REMAX Core in Badajoz, Spain, and he manages over 30 plus listings and needed a scalable way to present old and unrenovated homes into new, furnished, and complete homes so that future tenants or owners could envision themselves living in them. Antonio decided to switch to Pedra, which is basically an all-in-one toolkit, which includes virtual staging, light renovation touches, photo enhancement, and listing video creations in a few clicks. Let me walk you through what Antonio does today to improve the images of the properties he commercializes. He basically visits and takes shots of the properties, and then once he's in the office or at home, uploads the pictures into Pedra and applies the staging that each property needs. If he just needs furnishing, he just clicks on Edit with AI and Furnish. If he needs to renovate the space, he can click on Edit with AI and Renovation. And if he just wants to improve the photos or empty them, he can respectively click on Enhance or Empty. And then he just downloads those pictures and materials and pushes them to his CRM to share into all the portals on social media platforms. After applying virtual staging with Pedra, it saw multiple clicks over the next days and immediate buyer interest. And the cost, it was around 20 euros for a bunch of credits versus what could have been around 3 to 5K in traditional staging on site. Do you want the same lift for secondhand listings? You can try Pedra free on the link below. And you can read the full REMAX Core case study also in the description where you'll find the link. Thank you.